Dr. Mehtab Chandi A. Sangma, the National People's Party candidate, today filed her nomination for the upcoming Gambegre by-poll. In her speech following the nomination, she highlighted the need for infrastructure, development, job opportunities for the youth and better access to healthcare services, which she described as a priority. She expressed confidence in the NPP's ability to deliver on these promises, emphasizing her connection to the people of Gambegre. Bernard N. Marak, the BJP candidate and Tura MDC, also filed his nomination today for the by-election to the Gambegre seat.
Priority-wise, I think it will be first Ramarang ni Lugin. So Ramarang ko, tulong ako, kanina ng sumusinga, baka sumurang mo yan kitchen ako de basic life facilities naman ko dyan nga. Kasi kay Karen lang sumurang, baka sumurang mo lutinangon dahil nandirang Karen di lang na nagpinga. Kung marang chanchini kita basic life, essential life needs na ko yan kitchen ako de sorok.